Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will explain how to trade in the stock market and avoid losses. About 90% of traders fail to make money in the stock market. It's not an easy job. Greed, fear and hope control the market. %40 quit after 1 month. 80% quit within the first 2 years. 7% remain trading after 5 years, and maximum of 5% make profits. So listen carefully to what I'm about to say. If you are a beginner, the first thing you want to do is to invest in quality stocks or indices. ETFs. Avoid all new stocks at all cost. Avoid new IPOs. You want to trade only proven stocks. Microsoft is an example of a good stock, but it's still one company. But if you want safer investment, it's SPY, SPY. SPY represents the SP 500, the top 500 companies in America. So you are actually investing in all of them with one share. Right now, each share of SPY costs $369. Number 2, you should only buy when everyone is selling and sell when everyone is buying. If you want to make money, this is a golden rule. Again, you invest when everyone is selling and you sell when everyone is buying. Don't let greed get into you, okay? So basically you take the opposite direction of what most people do. As you see from the chart here, the SPY has dipped in March and a little bit in May, in June, September, in October. All these are opportunities to buy the stock. If you bought in any of these dips, you would have made a lot of money now. If you had multiple shares. I am using TradingView here. It's a nice charting website. Very professional. If you are serious about trading, I would suggest to register with them. Registration is for free. There is also a professional version if you are interested. I'll put a link in the description below. You may ask, when do I know where the dip is when the stock goes down? There is a very simple method to find out. If you click on indicators and choose moving average, it's the 50-day moving average. The stock goes up and down. This is the average of the movement in 50 days. So you click on it and it will draw another line here and it will show you, it will give you an indication where the stock is headed. So I would buy the SPY when it dips below the moving average. See here, September. As long as it dips below the moving average, buy. And if you wait a little, it will go up again and you can resell for a profit. By the way, you don't have to resell for a profit if you're not a day trader or you're not a swing trader. You can just keep it and earn dividends and keep reinvesting the dividends into new stocks or even the same stocks. It works very well. Which brings us to point number 3. Be patient and don't get attached emotionally to your stocks. Set a stop loss. I'll talk about that later because it's a big subject. And if you need to bail out, go ahead. Bail out of the stock means getting out of the stock, selling the stocks. But if you carry ETFs, exchange traded funds, like the SPY, don't be quick to bail out. Just keep investing and reinvest the dividends. Don't rush. Number 4, reinvest the dividends. What do I mean by that? Some stocks give you dividends monthly or quarterly or annually. So this money, this cash coming in, reinvest it in the same stocks again or different stocks. Only invest in stocks that give you dividends. Your account will grow much faster that way. Number 5. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. What do I mean by that? Don't invest all your money in one industry. Invest in different sectors, different stocks, different sectors. The stock market has 11 sectors, as you can see from this graph here. So you can buy one stock in each sector as a start. Don't invest in one and ignore the rest. Communication services, consumer, energy, financials, healthcare, industrials, information technology or IT, materials, real estate, utilities, and so on. So these are the 5 golden rules. If you miss one, you're gonna lose money guaranteed. In future videos, I'll show you the best stocks to buy in each category. Right now, today I want you to just grasp the basics, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested to know more, please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.